Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. This video will introduce you to account configuration management and the migration tool. When it comes to changing any of DecisionLender 4's highly configurable elements, such as custom actions, rate sheets, or rules, clients often test their changes in a demo site before they go live. After an account goes live, users have the ability to continue making changes and testing out new settings. However, when it comes time to transfer those changes, administrators are tasked with remembering every difference and rekeying all information manually. That was the old way. With the migration tool in DecisionLender 4, there's no need to worry about tedious reconfiguring. Make changes as needed in the demo site, and then use DecisionLender's Account Configuration Management to select all changed elements. With the simple click of the Download button, the changes are gathered into a file that can be transferred directly from a demo site to production, completely eliminating the possibility of human error. In DecisionLender's Account Config Management section, users can view snapshots, compare previous versions of the site, import and export migration files and snapshots, and more. Under the Export tab in the demo site, select the elements that have been changed and download them. This will generate a file that can be easily imported into the live site. Simply go to the Import tab in the live site and choose that file. View the resources to be imported and confirm that these changes will be overriding your previous version. Need to restore an older version? That's where snapshots come in. Snapshots are a reflection of an account's configuration at a given time. They allow you to easily view how your site has changed and what may be affecting its behavior from one day to the next. Snapshots also act as restore points, allowing you to easily revert an account back to a previous version. The Account Config Management section stockpiles nightly snapshots of the demo site, but users may also take their own at any time. View the differences between specific elements of the site using the Compare tab. Users may choose the snapshots they would like to compare and assign them either a red or green checkmark. Items highlighted clearly indicate changes between the two versions of the account. Snapshots can even be compared across environments. Download a snapshot from Demo and upload it in the Compare tab of the live account. Account Configuration Management provides capabilities for enabling better control over the configuration of a lender's DecisionLender 4 account. Avoid the hassle of memorizing changes and leaving your production site open to human error. Make updates quickly and efficiently with DecisionLender's migration tool. Request a demo today.